My name is Tony Oriem. I'm a welding trainer and I work with TASC, the Assessment and Skilling Center. Any welding that you see, it is done out there in a flat position, that is a 1G. Then we have 2G, that is horizontal welding. 3G is vertical. It is either vertical up or vertical down, depending on what the WPS says. Then we have 4G welding, which is done above the head. It's a 4G position. 5G, the pipe is laid horizontally. You weld going upward or downwards. 6G is when the pipe is positioned at an angle of 45. Yeah, you don't move the pipe. It is you, the welder, who is supposed to rotate. For 6G, I think we are over 200 in the country. If you're only a 1G welder, it means you cannot perform any weld which is in a 2G, 3G. But me, who is a 6G certified, it means I can do 1G, 2G, 3G, up to 6G. So that is the advantage of being a 6G welder. It is applicable everywhere. Yeah, because when you go to industries, you find structural welding, you find pipe welding. So if you're a 6G welder, it is of an advantage as opposed to a plate welder. With our industries in Uganda, we don't have, not that they don't demand for 6Gs, they do, but it's not so much demanded like the way oil and gas is demanding. Yeah, but there are also some 6G welding. For instance, if you go to national water, they have pipes. So usually those pipes are welded by the 6Gs. There are very many processes under welding. We have TIG welding, we have SMAO, shielded metal arc welding, we have GITAO, then we also have oxyacetylene gas welding. All those are trained by TASC and you get an international accreditation.